Hey everybody, it's Mr. C, and today's optical illusion is very special, near and dear to my heart. Some of you may already know this, but Mr. C is a huge Buffalo Bills fan. That's right, I have been a Bills fan since as long as I can remember. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at this screen right now. You're going to stare at the bill with your eyes intent at the center of it. Try to stay focused, don't take your eyes off of it. I want you just to keep looking at it, and keep looking at it. And right now the colors are off a little bit, but I promise you it will be worth the wait. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now look at the black screen. Can you see it? Can you see the Buffalo Bill in its full glory staring right back at you on your screen? If so, it worked for you. So leave a comment below, let me know if it worked, and if you'd like to see other logos like this that I can create for you. It's all about science, and I'm wondering, do you know why it's actually working? Leave a comment below and let me know why you think this actually works. All right, until next time, make sure you like it, make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.